Hello guys, good day. This is Kuyationg. Karon nga atong isgutan is about calculating speed and velocity. So sa atong latest nga video, naghisgot ta about unsay kalahian ni speed ug ni velocity. So karon maghisgot na pud ta og unsaon nato pag-calculate sa speed ug sa velocity, no? Okay. So una, sample problem ta ni speed. Okay? So remember nga para makalculate nato sa speed, kinahanglan ta mo gamit sa formula nga speed is equal to the distance over time. Hora may letter D ha. So distance over time. Okay, so para makalculate nato sa speed ko no, kinahanglan ato i-divide sa distance ni time. Okay? Okay. So first natong buhaton is or sunod natong buhaton is atong hibaw-on og unsay given ug unsay mga ask given nga mga data. So here natay 2 hours og kining 40 kilometers. So mitag hours, oras, that is automatically time, no? So given is siya ha. Given 2 hours, that is time, di ba? Then we also have 40 kilometers. So, kilometro, pasabot, that is distance, di ba? That is distance. Okay. Sunod, ang atong ask, kung sabi atong gipangita, ang speed, di ba? Kaya ang pangutana is, o ang atong instruction is, calculate how fast, unsa ka paspas, which is the speed, di ba? So, ang atong ask is ang speed. Okay, so question mark. Okay, so remember ang atong formula, speed is equal to distance over time. So ang ato na i-symbol, maingon ta V is equal to distance D over T. Kana si V, this is speed. Okay? Si V, speed na inumdumi. D is distance. T is time. So muna ijang si symbol kay bali. So substitute ta. So we have ang atong distance is 40 kilometers, di ba? So 40 km. Then we have over ang atong time is 2 hours, di ba? Okay, so 40 divided by 2 is 20. Then ang atong sumpa is ato ra ni itapad si kilometers ug si hours. Tapad nato. So 420 kilometers per hour. Okay? So, mo ni ang atong speed. 20 kilometers per hour. Pasabot di ay kini di ba? No, 2 hour to travel a distance of 40 kilometers. Pasabot di ay si Lloyd nakaabot siya sa 40 kilometers nga distance in 2 hours tungod kay ang iyang speed is 20 kilometers per hour. Pasabot 20 ka kilometros kada oras. Okay, that is how we calculate speed. Just following the kining formula nga speed is equal to distance over time. Okay? Okay. So now let's go to the second example. So sa second example, same gihapon no, we have to remember the formula nga speed is equal to distance over time. Diba? So next is we have to find the given nga mga data. So given we have 30 kilometers per hour. So kababatasan ninyo, kilometers per hour na siya. That is, sama na siya? That is speed. Okay, very good. That is speed. Okay, di ba ang atong unit gain ano kay speed bisa ano ba kay kilometers per hour. So kung maghisgot na gain na siya og na ganing na distance over time, kilometers per hour, speed na siya. Okay, so ang atong speed is 30 kilometers per hour. Then we also have 3 kilometers na given, di ba? No, so ang 3 kilometers na given, so that is distance. Okay, kilometers man, di ba? Distance. So distance that is 3 km. Now, unsa man na siya Kuya Chong? Di ba tan-aw na tong formula din he? Di ba? Naa si V, which is speed. Naapod si D, which is distance. Wa si T. pasabot si t ang atong gipangita. So unsa may atong formula nga gamiton? So natay gitawag nga derivation. Pasabot ato kibaling murag ato irambol ang original nga formula para maka-create ta og new nga formula para ma-solve nato ang given nga factor. No, nga same na po siya within sa formula. So unsa may atong formula kuya Chong if gipangita nato ang time or si time, ang given is only ang speed si v og si distance si d. So atong gamiton nga formula is t is equal to distance d over v, speed. Okay? Atong ibaylo si t ug si v. Okay, so next, substitute na ta. So ang atong distance is remember 30 kilometers per hour over ang atong time is 3 kilometers. So 30 divided by 3, that is 10, right? Now remember, bumatasan ninyo na tay duha ka buok kilometers ubos gibabaw. So ma-cancel out na sila. So ang mahibilin nga unit is si hour na laman. Okay? So si hour na laman ang mahibilin nga unit. So cancel out si so hour na naman, no? Which is perfect. Nga naman, tungod kay di ba ang atong gipangita is time. Diang hour kay time dyan na, di ba? So mao na atong final answer. Okay? Okay, so that is how we calculate time. If gipangita si time given sa distance ug si speed. Okay? Okay, now let's go to the third example. Speed gyapon niya. How far in kilometers will a car traveling at the speed of 140 kilometers per hour reach if it continues to travel for 2 hours without changing its speed? So now, remember gihapon ang atong formula is speed is equal to distance over over time. Okay, so now let's go to the given nga mga data. Given. So we have duha, di ba? Kini og harani dan 2 hours. So ang atong given, we have the speed, di ba? Kay kilometers per hour which is 140 kilometers per hour. Di ba? Then we also have time which is 2 hours. Kay hours man so time yun ano. So kinsa may atong ask karon? Si distance, di ba? Gaina si time karon si distance na pod. Okay, so unsa man ay formula kuya? So atong formula, if distance na po'y mawa, then given si speed o si time is distance equals speed, not s, but v. Speed times time. So ato ra silang i-multiply si speed o si time. By the way, kanang v speed na siya. Don't forget, si v speed na siya. So, pasabot this is 140 kilometers per hour times 2 hours. Diba? No. So, 140 times 2 is, pila man na? That is 280. At ibabaw ha? 280. Okay. Remember na pod nga, or kung ma-observe ninyo, nagdubli ang atong hours. So, mag-cancel out na po na sila. Ang ma-remain is si kilometers. km. Which is, ning suit siya ni distance. Kaya mo ba ito gipangita, di ba? Okay? Okay. So, that is how po we calculate distance, no? Kung distance ang atong gipangita, then ang given ra only is si speed og si time. We multiply the distance. We multiply speed sa time. Okay? So, short review ta ha. So, if ang atong gipangita is speed, ang atong formula gamiton is distance over time. No. Kung ang atong gipangita is si distance, atong i-multiply si speed ni kinikinsa man ni time. Diba? If ang ato pong gipangita si time, atong i-divide si distance ni speed. Okay, so muna itulo ka mga formula. Depende kung unsa gipangita. Okay? Okay. So now, add to ta ni velocity. So sa velocity, same ra siya og process when it comes to solving. No, pare when it comes to calculating, pare same process ra. As in same the process tanan. The only difference is that naay additional nga direction. North, south, east, west, kaya na, di ba? Mo sa ni kalahian ni velocity ug ni speed. So speed is more on the scalar quantity, no? Puro ra magnitude, puro ra kakusgon, kapaspason. Unlike ni velocity nga nag-involve og vector quantity, pasabot na ay kakusgon ni kapaspason plus direction. Okay, kaya diba ang velocity kay is the rate at which an object changes its position. Unsa ka paspas nag-usob og position ang usa ka butang, that is velocity. Now, let's go to sample problem for velocity. So John needs to travel 90 kilometers north. So remember ha, nanay north. That is the signal, that is the kanang ilhanan, no, for velocity. Along a straight highway to reach the next town. If it takes 3 hours for him to reach the next town, what is his velocity? So ang atong gamiton nga formula is the same ra, no, pero natay gamay nga kanabitang kalahian sa symbolism sa ato equivalent representation. So di ba gaina, no, sa katong nagcalculate sa speed, di ba atong gamit, no, kay only v unja distance over time. Diba? Si V is for speed, si D is for distance, si T is for time. So dinhi, since velocity na, ang V ato ra butangan og arrow. Si D pud atong butangan og arrow. Okay? Para maato kibaling ma-show nga naay direction. Okay? So kung V ra, that is speed. Remember ha? While if nanay arrow sa ibabaw, that is already velocity. Okay? So kini aho kanang base ra po ni sa ahong gibasihan nga module, no? Maybe sa uban ang gamit sila S for speed and V for velocity, pero dinhi naho si V is for speed, si V with additional arrow sa ibabaw, that is velocity. Okay? Okay, so matong gamiton. So again, so what ang atong formula ha? V with an arrow equals D with an arrow over T. Okay? So atong i-determine o sa given. Same ra nga process. So atong given we have 90 kilometers north. So that is with direction, kilometers. So that is distance. With an arrow. Okay, of course na may north, no? So 90 kilometers north. No. Then we have 3 hours, which is time. Diba? So 3 hours time. So now let's go to computation. So velocity is equal to distance over time, diba? So we have to substitute D, which is 90 kilometers north. Then we have time, which is 3 hours. So 90 divided by 3, that is 30, diba? So 30 kilometers per hour. Then sumpay si north. So ang atong final answer kibali is, ay naman iswat sa ubos ha, we have velocity is equal to, or no, mag-change lang color, sige, para mas maklaro. So ang atong final answer is we have 30 kilometers per hour north. So mo na atong final nga answer. So same ra nga paagi hapon sa speed, only nga naay additional nga kini bitaw direction. Okay? So example number 2 ta. So determine the velocity of the motorcycle traveling in a straight highway that covers 280 kilometers in 2 hours to westward direction. So same na gyapoy direction, so automatic that is velocity. Diba? So ang ato gamit nga formula is v with an arrow is equal to distance with an arrow over time. Na, di ba? So una is we have to determine the given data. So the data are, we have kining 280 kilometers, then we have 2 hours. Di ba? So 280 kilometers pasabot, that is distance with an arrow, 280 kilometers. No. So itong direction is west. Remember, west. Then we have time, which is 2 hours. Diba? So we have to follow. Sundo nato ning atong formula. So we have v with an arrow is equal to d with an arrow over time. So substitute d by 280 kilometers west. Ay dyan nakalimti si west divided by time, which is 2 hours. No. So divide, this is 140 kilometers per hour, then sumpay si direction west. So mo ni ang atong velocity. So mo ni atong final answer. So that's it. Thanks for watching this question. Bye bye.